Gemini planned my entire work week in about 90 seconds flat. Monday morning, I opened Google Gemini. It's free. You just go to gemini.google.com. And I typed out everything I had to deal with that week. Not in a fancy way, just like I was venting to a friend. I have a product launch Thursday, a check-in with my manager Wednesday, about 23 unread emails I've been avoiding, and I have no idea where to start. And Gemini just sorted it. It gave me a day-by-day breakdown. It flagged that the manager check-in needed prep work done before Wednesday, not on Wednesday. That sounds obvious when you say it out loud, but I genuinely hadn't thought about it that way. It also grouped my emails into clusters. Reply today, reply this week, probably don't need to reply. That alone saved me probably 35 minutes of staring at my inbox going in circles. This is exactly the kind of thing Stack Future covers every day, by the way. If you want more of it, subscribe and you'll actually use it. The key is how you talk to it. Gemini is not a search engine. Think of it less like Google and more like a really organized coworker who happens to have infinite patience. When I asked it vague things, I got vague answers. When I got specific, everything changed. The prompt that worked best: here's my week. Help me figure out what order to do things in and flag anything I might be forgetting. That's it. No special formatting, no technical knowledge required. It caught that I hadn't built in time to actually write the project update for my manager. I just assumed it would take 5 minutes. Gemini estimated closer to 30 and suggested I block Tuesday afternoon. It was right. I ran that same prompt every morning for 5 days. By Friday, my week felt like something I'd designed instead of something happening to me. If there's one thing worth taking from this, just tell Gemini your actual week in plain, messy language and ask it to help you see it more clearly. That's the whole move. You don't need to be organized to start. That's kind of the point. Next up, I handed all my daily messages over to Grok AI for a week to see if it could keep up. That one gets interesting fast. If this helped, tap the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this stuff.